somebody who has been debating about what AI tools that I can go ahead and use to go ahead and simplify my video process end to end. Whether you're a content creator, business owner, or anybody in general who loves to make videos, here is a tool that can make it simple for you. This tool is efficiently designed in a way to go ahead and remove bad takes, go ahead and help you with unlocking all the pro features with a free trial that they have, and exclusively made so that you can process your videos end to end, whether it is making videos, editing videos, removing bad takes, leveraging AI capabilities, and it seems like an all-in-one tool. I am going to explore that tool with you today, and I've also made a sample video to test this out, and I've purposely included a few bad takes so that we can test out when it says what it means when it says it can take out filler words and you can automatically cut out sections that you don't think are necessarily good takes. Let's see what this tool has for us. And the tool that we're going to talk about today is called as Gling AI. And I have a free trial that I'm trying to sign up for. So let's on the outset, let's look at what this does. This is primarily designed for making it easy, making it simple for you to go ahead and leverage this tool to go ahead and have end-to-end video production workflows, right? So you can cut bad takes, jump cut, zoom, and then you have remove silence and filler words. Then you have AI text-based video trimmer, like how you see in Descript and other tools. Then you have plans that you can choose from, not very expensive. If you go for a monthly plan, it's about $15 a month, which has got enough amount of features. The good thing about the free trial is they only have limitations in terms of the amount of media that you can get processed and the amount of exports that you can have. But apart from that, most of the premium features are present in all the packages that they have, right? So let's go ahead and start for free. That's exactly what we are looking at. All right, so that's about it. And it asks you to send notifications, allow it, drag your videos here or click to browse. There's an example project here. I don't know if I should use this. Let's not use this. Let's pick one that we have. I have made one demo for Gling AI. So I'm just going to use it. And I purposely have a few bad takes so that I can demonstrate that with you. Select a language, that's English. And this is, if you have multi-tracks from different cameras, you can include that as well. You can add a file, you can add a script, you can do anything. I mean, you can add more if you have. Add script. I don't necessarily have a script, so I'm just going to chuck it. I'm going to say continue. Your first project includes all pro features, which is a good thing. Okay. Cut silences. Do you want to remove the silence, awkward silences? I want to do that. Cut bad takes. I want to do that. And then jump cut zoom. Let's try what that looks like. Remove audio noise if you have any background audios. I don't think I would have any background, so I'm just going to exclude that. So enhance and edit. It will go ahead and simplify most of the things that you otherwise would have to do in a YouTube video. In a typical YouTube workflow, this would have been a pain, right? So you just have to go ahead and look at play sections repeatedly. Be careful if you want to look at some unwanted noises. You have to add every single thing that you need, whether it is a zoom effect, whether it is a jump cut. You have to be very, very precise. This tool promises that it's going to do it for you. Let's see what happens. It's transcribing my video, which means it's all automatically going to give me the script or the transcript of the video. Let's see what that looks like. It just takes a few minutes, I guess. All right, it's done, and it has automatically transcribed this video for me. If you're a business owner in 2024 and 25 and you have not considered AI for your video creation process, here are the three reasons that you should consider. It has removed smart editing. It has removed things which are redundant. You should consider, there is something here which says if you are a business owner where this is the purpose intentional cut that I had to do to demonstrate this. So it says if you are a biz, and then I stopped there. So that's a bad cut. It removed the bad cut, and then it removed the unwanted thing. You should consider AI for your video end-to-end workflows. Number one, get more done with less, with as simple as a simple lead written blog article. I don't like this. So as simple as a written blog article makes sense, right? So what you can do is you can either correct it if you think this is wrong, or if you can clip it if you don't need that, which will automatically clip that portion out of the video. Blog article, you can go ahead, right? So I think I would go ahead and remove this, and I'll cut it out. You can go ahead and add You can go ahead and start creating videos, which can either be faceless videos or which can be videos with your own avatar that can speak like you. Uh, Talk like you is not needed because it's almost the same. So I'm just removing this, which means that section gets clipped out. The next thing that you should consider AI for is when you have a written article that you have converted into a video, you can go ahead and clip that video. You can leverage and deploy to get large number of views. That you could is not needed. I have that could already, so I'm just removing this. Right, so that part is cut out. That could serve as a very good funnel for you to start with. The third reason that I can think of is if you are after enough, if you can go ahead and save a lot of money, right? I'm just going to say the third reason that I can think of is remove this. Save a lot of money because it is very cost effective, because one AI tool can replace at least 2 editors and 1 project coordinator. If you're thinking about hiring them, is not needed. So I'm just going to clip that out, right? You just have to go ahead and simplify your video automation workflows and you're good to go. Thank you so much. Thank me later. So this is not needed. I'm just going to cut this out. Thank me later. This is KC. This is not the spelling. So I'm just going to correct it saying KC. I'm going to say apply, signing off, right? And if I want to add something, let's see what that, it can only appear as captions. You don't have to, let's say, subscribe animation. That is also possible. Interesting. Right, so show cuts and skip cuts, these it can go ahead and show you. This is the pacing of the video. Let's play it out and see how it comes up, right? So I'm just going to start here. I'm saying nice. So I have added an animation. Let's play it from here just to see how that comes up. You see the subscribe icon. I have not the animation. I have not done that, so this is good. So their claim is that they say that this is exclusively going to be for YouTube. You can change the pacing if you want. I'm okay with that. If you want to remove the cuts, I think this is how it works. You can move your subscribe animation, right? And then what you can do is there is something called as enhance and AI assistant. I want to see what that is. So let's say enhance, and it can have smart captions, which means your subtitles will get added. Jump cut zoom is by default, which means it just zooms in when you have a jump cut. Center to face, right? Remove noise from audio. I have not chosen that. You can zoom if you want. Seems good to me. That's how the enhance works. AI assistant, it goes ahead and title generator, chapters generator. So if you want to go ahead and generate a title, generate titles in your own style, you can go ahead and do that, but that's not what we are after. Then you have chapter generator, which is good because this is, and all this is I think without signing up, right? Signing into the app. So you want to go ahead and generate chapters. It also helps you generate chapters. What the hell, let's sign up and see what happens, right? Say continue. Okay, they also have a desktop app, allow access to the file system. Okay, file. All right, so this is, I'm signed up now. You can go ahead and enhance it, right? You can go ahead and use the AI assistant, title generator. What do you want the title to be? You can connect your own YouTube account. You can do that if you want. It's not something that I'm looking at now. AI assistant, I want to generate chapters. Right, it breaks your conversation into chapters, and then you can it'll show you what those chapters are going to look like. You can use them as chapters. Let's see what happens. All right, so 00 is 1. It's a short video, so I think it's going to go ahead and give you one timestamp. Use as chapters. You can regenerate if you want. Then you have, what's this? Copy to clipboard, AI assistant, enhance is something that we have done, right? So let's say what happens. This, ladies and gentlemen, saves a lot of time, to be honest with you, and it's not really that expensive. And if you have, if you're not a full-on heavy creator who churns out like 10, 12 videos a day, if you're not somebody who does that, I think this is fantastic option to go ahead and try it. Efficient, simple, no nonsense, eliminates a lot of hassle, eliminates a lot of editing hassle. If you ask me, I think it's fantastic that way, and I would definitely give this a thumbs up, and I would definitely keep it in my toolkit the moment I want to go ahead and use this for my projects. So whether I would immediately go ahead and subscribe to the paid version or not, I'm not really sure. But this is a very good tool, if you ask me, which can eliminate a lot of hassle, because you can practically visualize how this goes on YouTube and how quickly you can go ahead and edit. If you have like a video that you have already edited, right? If you want to add more files, you can add your own audio, you can add your own voiceovers, you can do a lot of stuff that way. So that's about it. Thank you so much, and I think I really like this. What files can you add? I think you can add multiple videos if you want, or you can also bring in and you can also bring in some images. Let's see if you can actually bring in some images. Let's say I want to have a PNG file. Let's go to a screenshot if I have. Okay, I can't bring in the, this is only for video files, right? I can't bring in any image files, I guess. Yeah, so I can't get any images, but I think I can get video files, multiple videos. I can play around with that. So I like it. I really, really like it. And I also think it could be a problem if I am not able to add my logo, right? That could also be a potential. Yeah, it's not showing you logos. So that could be potentially a problem, but I'm pretty sure they'll fix it in no time. That's about it. I think overall it's a good to use tool that you can leverage for quick videos without much editing hassle, with quick effects here and there. I think this is a decent addition to your toolkit. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. I'll see you again.